Going to work. Oh no, what is that sound? Why isn't my car starting? Oh, I better get to my Toolbox app and get a mechanic out here. Okay, my zip code is 64150 and my car is a purple Trans Am that's making a bad noise. Okay, I think Friday at 2 p.m. will work the best for me.
Oh, look, someone just booked an appointment this Friday at 2 o'clock. Let's see what the problem is with their car. Hi Sarah, this is Joe, your toolbox mechanic. I'll be there in 30 minutes.
Thank you so much for coming, Toolbox Joe. My car needs some serious help.
Let's see what the problem is. I can fix this. Let me get to work. I'll check in with you as I go.
Hey Joe, how's it going?
Oh, it's going alright. I think I got it figured out. So it should be ready in about 30 minutes or so.
Okay, great.
I'm all done. Your car is problem-free.
Thank you so much, Toolbox Joe.
No problem. That's what Toolbox is for.